Hi, I'm Ricky, the Sales Director at LMB. Today we're in this beautiful family home in Herne Hill. Our clients came to us looking for a reputable company to look after their extension, loft conversion and home renovation works. Looking after the loft was our project manager, Ollie, alongside Lee Murphy, our director. We were able to extend the back addition in brickwork, do a rear dormer in the loft space, which has now created 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and a dedicated gym area. This has given our clients the space and functionality they needed in their home.